Zoom and navigation in the platform. There are several ways to zoom in and out in BlackArrow. One way is by holding the Control key and scrolling up with your mouse for zoom in, or down for zoom out. Another way is by clicking on the top left corner of your chart window and using the magnifying glass icons. One is for zooming in, another for zooming out, and the third allows you to zoom into a specific area. Just select the icon and then the desired area on the chart. The last magnifying glass in the menu lets you adjust the chart based on a specific time frame. For example, selecting monthly will automatically fit the chart to display the entire month. You can also zoom using the date bar at the bottom. Dragging it to the right zooms out, while dragging it to the left zooms in. Another option is to hold the right mouse button, select the area you want to zoom into, and then click Zoom Region. To adjust your chart further, use the price scale on the side, dragging it up or down. You can also press and hold the mouse scroll button and move up or down for the same effect. If you want to view previous days on the chart, simply scroll down to go back in time or scroll up to move forward. You can also use the arrows or the bottom bar for navigation. To quickly return to the most updated price, just click this arrow at the top. With these tools, you can easily zoom and navigate through the platform. See you in the next video.